Here's the home at 5006 Bancroft. Really nice front, beautiful brickwork, covered front porch entrance. Nice walkway coming up, give you looking down. Coming on up. Again, we've got the St. Louis red brick, looking really nice. Covered soffit and fascia. And here straight ahead, we've got the glazed white brick on the lower side. Nice brick columns. Really good overhead lighting with the woodwork. Get my light to adjust. There we go. Coming on through. Home's got 4 bedrooms. As we enter, view of our door. Really nice ornamental fireplace straight ahead. Get our door closed. Beautiful wood windows. Actually, it's wood-like. They're vinyl, but they have the look of wood. Base bars looking really nice. These are hardwood floors. Appear to be oak. Really nice design here. We do have the gas line here in the fireplace, in case you want to convert it to gas or keep the gas. Coming back through. Really good size formal living room here. Nice archway. Got the windows here that have been updated. Again, it's kind of got the wood look, but they're updated vinyl. Does have the crown molding trim above the window. It's a really good sized dining room. Coming through, we're going to have 2 bedrooms on the main floor. Then we have a ginormous finished bedroom on the lower. One in the attic up. So we got the kitchen, rear bedroom, doors going up and down. Again, really nice trim above the doorways here. We'll start here. This is going to be our front bedroom. Nice window straight ahead. That's looking out to the front porch. Really tall windows. This here is the closet that's above the stairwell going down. Got the door open for us. Coming back through, show you the rear bedroom. Door straight ahead, does walk out to the addition, the 4-season room addition. There's 2 closets on either side of that door. It's nice louvered doors. And then here's our other closet here. Really nice. Tall ceilings throughout the entire main floor. Coming through. Beautifully tiled floor here. Really nice. Here's a shower. It's been beautifully tiled as well. Looks really good. Coming back through this way. Kitchen has been fully updated. Nice vinyl flooring. A lot of built-ins here. Coming back through. Got your subway tile, some under cabinet lighting under the cabinetry. Looks really nice. The window bumps out a little bit here with a drawer you can pull out. So you could use that. It looks like butcher board block. Got good lighting above. Now here's our addition. Below it is going to be the bedroom in the lower level. Really nice exposed brick. You can see the archway there that used to be. Here as well. Got your transom above. Really good sized room. Track lighting, 2 of ceiling fan lights. This looks really good. Take you outside. It's a really nice backyard. Little landing here of a deck walking down. Single car, detached garage, you can see. They've got a really nice car inside there, so for their privacy, I'm not going to showcase that. But it does have a door coming off this way. Entrance to our alleyway. Nice little planter's box here. There was probably a grill at one time, just from the way the brickwork was done. That was real common. Making a really nice planter box out of it. Really nice setup here. Beautiful rear addition. You can look at all those lights. I will take you down to the lower level, show you the finished basement here, and then we'll conclude for the bedroom on the second floor. So it looks really nice. You can see in the kitchen there how it bumped out. It's really good. Coming through. Got a storm door here. Walk in. So we're calling this the bedroom for the lower level. It's because we've got several points of egress. This takes us into the basement to my right. And then really good natural lighting in here. Sunk in a little bit. Tons of outlets. Serviced by heating and cooling, you see straight above. And this room does have a full bathroom just inside. Here's your bathroom. Here's shower straight ahead. Really nice vanity. Exhaust fan there in the ceiling. Coming back through, you have the unfinished basement that has been painted. Washer dryer connections. Then over here, your furnace, plumbing stack, and electric. Hot water tank. We've got a workshop area. And then here under the front porch, really good lighting in here. You can see the stone foundation. And then here they have the brick on top of the stone. Got the glass block window. Coming back through, I'm excited to show you the really small little cubby hole. I guess we'll call it over the front porch. And it's really a good kids playground, if you will. Way too small for an adult to climb in, but you could always use it as a closet for the bedroom. So obviously coming back to the landing, close this door here. As you can imagine, they stack the stairs on top of each other. So these going up. Take these stairs going up. Nice vinyl flooring. So heading to the right, this is the rear of the property. Again, good over lighting. Really good size room. This is more of your loft area. Does have some storage here to my left. Really nice. Looks like a cedar closet here. Good lighting. And here, I want to show you what could be a closet, could be a cubby hole. Half a life ago, I probably could have clawed in here and show you this, but it's kind of fun. Little kids, we'll call it a reading area, but kind of fun. Got the little workbench or a seat. This will conclude our tour. If you have any questions, please check out the description below. And as always, please like and subscribe. Thank you.